Please refrain from smoking while walking throughout the building.
See you guys there. We're packed up and we are heading to Philly today for Joshua's shows. And we have a lot of stuff.
Wiggle, 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 yeah.
We're gonna be in Philly on Monday, and then we will be heading to New York for a couple days for a couple more shows. It's gonna be a lot of traveling, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. We are here, we're about to head out on Virgin.
I'm a virgin on Virgin.
Ooh, so is Matt.
No.
It's about a 5.5-hour flight, so
We're boarding right now.
we're gonna be sleeping soon. PB&J is my favorite. It's so good. They made it really well. There's like a lot of peanut butter and a lot of jelly, which I love. Guys, I just ordered the kids' sauce here on Virgin, and I am gonna eat it. Look at it. It's really cute.
It's a game.
It's a game. Oh, I guess I can't eat these, guys. I would have been.
She's saying, no, like, I'll do that in case, like, I want it.
It's good.
Why? I don't know, my sister-in-law was going out with this guy, and it was bad. But one, I know, for one,
It's like a jerky
it was,
stick.
It was
It's pretty good.
terrible on it.
You want the garbage? Give me the garbage. I'll take it.
Where's your short? She needs her own
Not good.
seat. She has her own seat. Yeah. It's in the restroom in the lab. Yeah.
I don't like banana.
I just ate a protein plate. I'm kind of scared because there's chicken left. I don't know. It looks weird.
Wait, what's the chicken? That's chicken.
This is chicken right here.
Eat it.
Okay.
Eat it.
I'm gonna have to do a little bit of dipping.
What is the sauce?
Hummus.
Oh, it's hummus. Oh, that's good. Good or bad? Not good? Swallow. Swallow.
I like grilled chicken. I'm pretty sure that's not.
We made it to Philly. We're here and I'm in my onesie and everyone else is rehearsing for the show tomorrow. I am not singing with them. I don't know why. Very talented, really good singer, but I guess they just wanted 4.
Timothy, y'all.
When the snow is glistening on the trees outside,
And all the stockings
on the fireside.
Josh, introduce us to your bartender friend.
He's busy, but his name is Bud, and he's actually my buddy.
Okay, love your PJs or whatever those are.
Oh man, Bud is complimenting.
Number 2 won another Hershey Kiss candy cane. Sarah Tuberson. Congratulations, Sarah. It's 2:30 here in Philly and we are exhausted, so we're gonna go to bed because tomorrow we have Joshua's shows. So I love you, Zam fam. Keep looking for Elf on the Shelf and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.